Abhishek, I have one last question for you here. Abhishek, we have all seen you in movies like Guru, Bluffmaster, like, and those were loved by the audiences as well as the critics, and you were the lead in all those movies. So I just want to ask you कि हम आपको as a lead कोई upcoming आपके movies में देखने मिलेंगे वापस आप हमें
I hope
as a
so.
lead?
If you have a nice script, I'll be more than happy to read it. Yeah. I didn't understand your question.
Because no, I'm just asking you, would we see you as a lead in any upcoming movies of yours?
I'd love that, yeah.
As a lead, like a solo actor.
As the only person in the
Yeah,
film?
yeah, as the male lead, yeah.
I- w- As the only person in the film, it'll be a very
No,
boring
no,
film.
I'm saying male lead.
It
male
will be a
lead.
selfie film.
Huh? Just take my camera, shoot
3
a
घंटे
film.
तक ऐसे घूमने का.
Abhishek, I'm saying as a male lead.
As a
The only
main
person.
lead.
Male
Male.
lead, male lead.
Male.
Male, yeah.
So I act like a female right now or what? I mean, I'm not understanding your question.
Sir, like in Guru and Bluffmaster, you were the lead actor.
In Bluffmaster, I had a wonderful co-actor called
Right,
Ritesh
right,
Deshmukh
but
and
the-
Baman
but the
Irani.
but the
In Guru, I had wonderful co-actors like Mithun Da, Maddie, Aishwarya and Vidya Balan. What are you trying to say?
No, I'm just trying to say, like, you were the lead actor in that movie, right? So I'm just.
I don't think so. I don't look upon films like that, sir. You have to understand, my definition is slightly different. I believe anybody, no matter how big or small their role, is equally responsible for the film and in the success or the failure. I don't like to differentiate just based on the size of the role. If you look at the film that we're talking about right now, we're here for Houseful. It's a wonderful franchise. The most popular character of the Houseful franchise is Chunky, who shot for 3 days in the film. Akhri Pasta has got the biggest recall in the Houseful franchise. So the size of the role shouldn't matter. I think I've understood where you're trying to go with this.
I'm not asking you in a negative way. I'm just
No. Why would I think in a negative way? Unless you are, I'm not. I just feel that every actor should be given the love and respect as his fellow actor. So I've never believed in this word of solo male lead. For me, a solo film is when you're doing it alone, just you're the only person in the film. Because I think I share the platform with all my actors and they're all wonderful. Having said that, I understand what you're trying to say, that am I going to be carrying on doing multi-starters? Is that what you're asking, like an ensemble piece? Is that what you're asking?
Yeah, maybe, but I am also asking, would we see you as a male lead also, apart from multi-starers also?
No, I've not understood your question.
I'm just asking you, would we see you, like for example in in Guru, you were the only lead actor.
No, I wasn't the only lead actor in Guru.
Okay,
Mithun Da and Madhavan were male actors in that as well. I've not understood your question. मुझे समझ भी नहीं आया.
I think you have answered, Abhishek.
Okay. Thank you.
So, yeah. This question is again about the censor board. I wanted to ask you, when it comes to the censor board, entertainment films get through easier than, real life or, movies that are influenced with the people and their problems. Why do you think it is so? If you could give me an answer. So, my question is to you, sir, Akshay.
Yeah, so I'm shifting the censor board question to him. तू ही तो बोल रहा था बेलाजी ने मेरे को ब्रेक दिया है मैं सब जानता हूँ उनके बारे में जाओ
अच्छा मेरे को सेटर बना दिया सेटर
sorry go ahead what's your question
So my question is, when it comes to entertainment films, it gets through easier with the censor board than with, real life films, or when it is the problem.
Nothing like that. I made a film which was very entertaining called Desi Boys. It got an adult certificate. Eros knows about it very well. So it's nothing like that. If it gets to get stuck, it gets stuck. That's it.
Okay. Thank you.
I've actually not rapped in Houseful. I auditioned for Sajid Farhad, but we all collectively felt that the person who had originally done it in the playback was far superior to me. So we preferred to go with that. So I have not. Yeah.